Welcome to AutoNerveX. Today, we're diving into something truly iconic with a bold new twist. New, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Now, under the hood, or rather, under the floor, is an all-new electric platform, giving this Ghia true GT performance.
Welcome to AutoNerveX. Today, we're talking about something truly unbelievable. Volkswagen just did the impossible with the 2026 Karmann Ghia. That's right, the iconic coupe that once turned heads across Europe is back, and it's more stunning, powerful, and refined than ever before. Let's begin with the history that makes this car so important. The original Karmann Ghia was a collaboration between Volkswagen and the German coach builder, Karmann. With styling by the Italian design house, Ghia, produced between 1955 and 1974, it was famous for its elegant curves, smooth lines, and timeless proportions, but it was always more about looks than performance. Fast forward to 2026, and that's where everything changes. Volkswagen didn't just bring back the Karmann Ghia for nostalgia, they reinvented it for the modern world. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is built on VW's cutting-edge MEB platform, the same one that underpins the ID4 and ID7. But this isn't just another electric car with a familiar name. This is a design-driven performance EV made to stir emotions. Let's talk about the design first. From the very first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia captures your heart. It keeps the low-slung proportions, the sloping roofline, and the smooth flowing shape of the original. But every detail has been modernized. The headlights are narrow, angular LEDs that wrap into the fenders. A clean LED light bar runs across the front grilleless nose, giving it that signature EV face while staying true to the original's clean look. Along the sides, muscular wheel arches frame massive 20-inch aero-optimized wheels. The flush door handles and frameless windows enhance the coupe's sleek silhouette. The rear, a sculpted tail with a dramatic LED strip, an active spoiler, and a hidden charging port integrated seamlessly into the design. Now under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, things get exciting. The base Karmann Ghia comes with a single rear motor producing 250 horsepower and over 300 miles of range. But if you're craving more, there's a dual motor all-wheel drive GT version. It delivers 420 horsepower, launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds, and includes adaptive suspension, variable torque vectoring, and performance brakes. The Karmann Ghia GT isn't just a cruiser, it's a full-fledged sports EV, and it can handle twisty roads with the precision of a modern sports car. The low center of gravity, stiff chassis, and active dampers give it balance and grip that the original could only dream of. Inside, it's a perfect balance of retro inspiration and high-tech execution. The dashboard features circular vents, a body dash panel, and elegant toggle switches, all nods to the original. But right in the center sits a massive 15-inch floating infotainment screen, powered by VW's latest OS. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and even AI-based driver assistance. A digital cockpit behind the steering wheel lets you customize the instrument layout, while ambient lighting with 30 color options lets you set the mood. The seats, slim, supportive, and made with recycled materials, vegan leather, contrast stitching, and a unique GT logo embroidered on the headrests in performance trims. And yes, the rear seats exist, but they're best suited for small bags or kids. Just like the original, there's even a drive nostalgia mode that changes the ambient sound of the EV to mimic a classic air-cooled engine note. A fun tribute for longtime fans. In terms of features, you get a head-up display, 360-degree cameras, Level 2 semi-autonomous driving with travel assist, automatic emergency braking, lane centering, and smart adaptive cruise control. And for those wondering about practicality, the front trunk gives you 100 liters of storage, and the rear hatch opens up to reveal another 350 liters, more than enough for weekend getaways. Now, let's talk price. The base 2026 Karmann Ghia is expected to start around $48,000. while the GT version, with dual motors and all performance features, pushes toward $65,000. Expensive maybe, but you're getting exclusivity, electric power, performance, and timeless style in a package no other car on the market offers. Volkswagen didn't just modernize the Karmann Ghia, they elevated it. It's no longer just a pretty car with a modest engine, it's now a genuine grand tourer, a performance EV, and a rolling piece of art, all rolled into one. Whether you're a collector, a performance enthusiast, or someone who simply loves beautiful machines, the 2026 Karmann Ghia delivers on all fronts. Volkswagen didn't just do a reboot, they did the impossible.
Thanks for watching AutoNerve X.